Is your Pinterest profile still showing that default gray circle, or maybe an old photo that doesn't really represent you anymore? That little image is one of the first things people see when they find your boards or your pins. If it looks outdated or generic, it can make your whole brand feel a little unprofessional and hard to recognize. The good news is, fixing it is incredibly quick. Let's do that right now, in under a minute. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps, from opening up Pinterest all the way to saving your brand new photo. It's straightforward, and I'll show you exactly where to click so you don't get lost. All right, let's start. You can do this on the Pinterest app on your phone or on the website in your browser. I'll be showing you the browser version, but the steps are almost identical on the app. So go ahead and open Pinterest and log in if you aren't already. Now, look up in the top right corner of your screen. See that little icon? That's your profile icon. It might be that gray silhouette or your current photo. Click on that. A small menu will pop down. Next, from that menu, you want to find and click the option that says Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that list. This takes you into the main settings area for your account. Once you're inside Settings, look through the menu on the left-hand side. You're looking for a tab that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is the section where you control all the public-facing details of your account. And here's where we find the star of the show. On this Edit Profile page, you'll see your current profile photo displayed in a circle. It's usually right at the top. Just hover your mouse over that photo or tap on it if you're on a phone. You should see an option appear that says Change. Click that. A file browser window will pop up. This is where you get to choose the new image you want to use. I'd suggest picking a clear, high-quality photo that really represents your brand. It could be a logo, a nice headshot, or a piece of artwork. Just find that image on your computer or phone and select it. The site will start uploading your new image automatically. This might take a moment to process, especially if the file is a little large. Just let it do its thing. You'll see a little loading indicator spin for a few seconds. Once it's finished uploading, take a second to review how it looks in the preview circle. Does it look good? Is it centered? If you need to, you can usually click and drag the image within that circle to reposition it. This is your chance to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're happy with the preview, scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Profile page and click the big blue Save button. And that's it. Your Pinterest profile picture is now updated successfully. Click back to your profile to see it in action. It looks so much more professional and recognizable, doesn't it? See how that small change makes your entire profile feel more polished? That's the power of a good profile picture. Thanks for following along.